Assalamu alaikum and hello to everyone. I'm here with another review video of Swantia Medical, and subscribe to my channel Syntech. I will bring more videos related to instrumentation and technology. So they have ENT diagnostic kits which is shown in their website, and such instruments are of high quality. I will review in later time, but over here I will describe about the quality of instrument they are making in the ENT category, and buck percussion hammer and some accessories like tuning fork and stethoscopes, calipers, rulers, otoscope, fiber optic type, very unique and very good quality light output and good magnification up to 3x, and a rheostat to control the light brightness as well. So, ophthalmoscope is of fiber optic type with an LED light, and have a good aperture quality and good focus, good magnification, good viewing angle, and good diopter power as well. Mini otoscope consists of LEDs and the fiber optic technology, magnification up to 3x. It's very easy to carry in the pockets. Hand carry is very easy. Its pocket size you can carry everywhere. They also have mini ophthalmoscope in this category as well. It's very unique and can be carried in the pocket for students and easy to use. Sorry for the background voice. The otoscope conventional is also available in this category, made up of metal, and it also have a magnification power of 3x. Ophthalmoscope conventional type is also available, which can be attached. The head can be changed. As you can see, the otoscope head can be put into that handle of ophthalmoscope as well. And a complete diagnostic set, which consists of cannulas and lamps and handle and ophthalmoscope and otoscope sets. You can buy from their website. I will attach the link description so you can check the quality. Mini otoscope, mini ophthalmoscope, both are in case as a form of diagnostic sets with cannulas, and this consists of LEDs, very light, bright light output, and warm color, and the tissue can be seen very easily and very clearly. Webskin percussion hammer, Berliner percussion hammer, Buck percussion hammer, calipers, Carroll finger goniometer, Castro video caliper, Castro video Ipker caliper, Castro video Ipker caliper, and dimensional ophthalmoscope hand tag, hard type plastic tag case is also available, and Uterine percussion hammers. More categories also available, and this is the preview of first page of their website, and some short list instruments which are readily used, as you can see in the website. And hope you like the quality, as they are exporting to US, Germany and England. And subscribe to my channel. I'll bring more updates related to Pakistan industry and Pakistan manufacturing products. Hope you like the video, and see you in another video. Bye bye.